Aasalan na naman kayo sa mga kulto niyo. Okay, next step. You have now to answer your research question number 1. Research 1 and research question number 2. Yung nandoon, yung part na ito, 1 and 2. Okay? How are you going to present your data? What is the level of A and B? So, ito yon. What is the level of A and B? How are you going to present it? Ito na ulit. Okay. By the way, this one, it will be presented in your data analysis chapter 2. Data analysis ng chapter 2. Di ba dun sa data analysis, t-test will be used to determine the significant difference of analysis of variance will be used to determine the significant difference of among 3 groups. Tama? But before you have the t-test and then the analysis of variance, yung first nun, to determine the extent or to determine the level of, to determine the mean age, to determine the parent involvement, the following Likert scale will be used. Ano ang basis ninyo dito? Siyempre kasama sa RRL ninyo. Tama? And then after that, you present this table. Hindi ninyo na pala isasama ito. Kasi data analysis ito. Chapter 2. Ang isasama ninyo is ito. Yung table 3. So what will be presented in table 3? This is table 1. You have your table number 2. Okay, depende yung numbering sa instruction din ni Ma'am Jan, ha? I'm just showing you kung paano ninyo ipe-present. And then from your table 2, you will now have, syempre, you have the title here, and then you have variable A and variable B. Since we are answering question number 1 and question number 2, ano yung mga variables na nandito? A and B, 1 and 2. Correct? Ano yung 1? In my case, I have the extent for variable 1. For variable 2, I have the level of. In your case, academic performance and ano yung variable 2? Academic performance and sa research ninyo. Anyone can answer.
One level of exposure.
Exposure and
Frequency of purchase and
kasi kayo pa yung tatlo. At magkakaroon kayo ng C dito. For those who have 2, ano yung nandito? Peer pressure and
research natin,
intercultural. Mga
Pag
ganun.
isusulat sa table naka-ABC or dapat yung...
Yung ano na,
Ay, yung
syempre yung nilagay ko ng AB kasi common sa inyong lahat yon. So ano yung A na yon? Ano yung B na yon? You have to identify it according to your research. Okay? Okay? Next. Ano ngayon, ito, di ba mean ang pinag-uusapan natin because this is what is the level. We are answering what is the level. So ano yung level na yon? Ano yung extent ng peer pressure?
Based on...
In your research pa rin, ah.
Based on
okay.
the result?
Yes, you get the mean, di ba? You get the mean. Okay, what is the... How do you determine this, di ba? Sa akin kasi is 4. Sa inyo, 6. Okay, get the mean. Get the mean ng inyong result. Diba? Ano yung mean natin? Let's say for example, 3.46. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Highly practice. Saan galing ito? Doon. Nakuha nyo? So, in your case, your mean is let's say 3.46. This one is let's say 5.14. Ano ang interpretation ngayon nito? Ang interpretation nito is high. Ito, very high. And then after the table, you will now explain what the table is all about. And then you have the corroboration. Ito ang nire-require ni Ma'am Jen. Tama? Ang instruction niya sa inyo is you will have the corroboration of 1 and 2 only.
What do you mean by corroboration?
You are going with your result. Discussion of results. I-relate nyo na sa other researches. It is with the result, this is the same or similar to the results of the study of Carbonell 2025. Ganun. Dan. Dito nyo ilalagay iyon. Nakuha ninyo. Okay? Next. Research question number tapos na tayo dito. Nandito na tayo sa 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can have that as one table only. For your research questions 3, 4, 5, and 6, this will now be table number 3. You have the title, and then variable A, variable B. Yan. Variable A, variable B, and then you have the two groups. Ano yung two groups natin? Okay, gender for example, you have the male and then the female. A and B. Male, female. And then you have now the p-value interpretation. Three groups. Group 1, group 2, group 3. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi group 1, group 2, group 3 yan. Ano na? No, you don't have the M and then the F there. P-value na lang siya. You have the P-value and then you have the interpretation also. Let's say for example, the P-value here is 0.08. What is your interpretation? Not significant. Let's say for example here 0.02. Significant. What is your basis? Yung level of significance natin is alpha, 0.05. What did you use? 0.05. You compare. Okay? Nakuha nyo? So, ito, ilalagay ninyo dyan. You just complete this table. Saan manggagaling yung mga values natin dyan? Yun na yung ginawa ninyo dun sa computations ninyo. You just copy. Okay? You just copy. So, let's say for example, ito na yung ating nakikita nyo ba? Okay, nakikita nyo ba? Hindi. Pag hindi nyo makita, lumapit kayo dito para kung anong gagawin ninyo. Para isa lang yung ating presentation, para hindi ko na okay. Saan galing yung mga pin natin na to? Saan galing yung mga nilagay ko dito? What will you do? Di ba sa research ninyo, respondent 1, 2, 3, di ba naka-column kayong ganyan? Naayos natin. Di ba ganito? Tapos meron kayong, actually dito sa column, male, female, pero tapos natin yan, kaya dinilit ko na yung column na yon. So what will you do? Customer focus is variable A. Involvement of people is variable B. Get the mean. Get the mean. Okay? And then after that, get the overall mean. Ito ngayon yung 3.45 na nakita natin saan yun. Bakit nawawala? Customer focus. 3.45. Dapat 3.45 yun. It's not 3. Dito yun makikita. And then yung involvement of people. Okay. Question 1, get the mean. Anong formula? Equal to average. And then highlight. Diba? And then get the average. 3.53. Saan galing ito? Bakit iba-iba ang value nito? Ito, people involvement, it should not, it's 2.48. It should be what? 3.53. Pakapehin nyo lang siya. Pero ito, saan nakikita? Appendices. Ay, saan ito yun, sa computation. Okay? Okay? Nasundan ninyo?
Pag ilalagay na po yung information na ganyan, appendices po lahat ng Excel.
Yes, lahat ng Excel appendices. Ano lang nakikita ko yung mga to, dito ko na makikita yun. Okay? Okay. Next. How about for 1 and 2? Yes. The mean will be for 1 and 2. How about this one? Okay, you remember your Excel output? Remember Excel output? This one is for the two means, correct? This will, the values that you will get, saan natin kukunin? Customer focus, 1.45. Saan to galing? Dito sa 1.45. Ito lang. Ang kokopyahin natin, ilalagay natin saan? Doon sa table natin. Okay? And all the other values, let's say ito, t-test. Itong isa, analysis of variance. This is for group 3. Marital status kasi kaya married, single, widower, ganun. So, saan yung mga values ng 325? Saan galing yung 325 na yun? Doon sa p-value, 325. Kinopya ko lang, nilagay ko doon. Nakuha nyo? So, yun, iisang table lang yan. Ganyan lang, iisang table lang siya. Okay? Ilan ang ni-require ko sa inyo nito? 6. Ilan ang masasagot natin? Asan yung min? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nakuha nyo? 4, 5, 6. Ha?
Kasi di ba yun yung
Ay, yeah. Okay? Kaya nga, sabi ko, dalawa lang.
sinabi niyo yung dyan kasi sa amin para mas
Okay, sige. Di ba kaya nyo naman yan? Okay na? Nakuha nyo yun? Ito, pwede nyo picture. Okay na, nakuha nyo yun? Nasundan nyo? Okay. That's why I am discussing this with you because, again, we will not meet. Minsan na lang tayo magkita sa next week. Sa boses mo, buong hallway ako narinig. Nasundan ninyo? Nasundan ninyo? Okay. Now, question. Question. Bakit kailangan ko bang ipagawa ito sa inyo? Saan to makikita? Saan ito makikita sa research ninyo?
Data analysis.
No, ito. HOHA.
Data analysis?
There one to, diba? Okay, yes. How about the tools? Saan nakikita sa research? Research. Methodology. How about rejection? Methodology also. How about computation? Appendices. How about decision?
Results
And discussion and then the conclusion. No, the decision is dun sa table. Dun sa mga table. The conclusion dun sa mga discussions natin.
okay.
Okay? Now, again, instruction ha, for your research and for me also, kasi we will be having our defense later on, corroboration will be for research question number 1 and 2. For this table, isang table lang i-present ninyo, iisa lang na explanation ng lahat. Do you need to relate it sa inyong RRL? Hindi na. Hindi na. Ito lang. Ito lang, ang i-discuss nyo lang is yung mga values natin. Parang ganyan na ang makikita ko dyan. You don't need to relate it with your RRL. Hindi na.
Pero dun sa calculator,
Ha?
Ano sinisigal yun eh?
yes, ma'am, yung sabi niyo na either maghanap pa kami ng RRL as basis or mag-assume kami.
Yung sub-zero, you don't need to discuss it. Just be ready that when I will ask you, may basis kayo, ganun.
Gusto mo hindi nagpipili ka ba kayo?
wala sa 2 million. Yung sa zero namin automatic.
Yes, zero na lang. Wag na kayo, unless you want to prove that it is higher by 5 points.
So, do you mean until
Ano ba?
zero?
Zero.
Sa 1 million.
Yun lang ang may value kayo. Okay? Unless, grade ang
Hindi ba ano lang,
Okay. Okay na tayo? So, ito lang ang kailangan ko sa... Yan. Sana yung discussion natin. Ganyan lang. Ito lang. Ganyan lang ang discussion. Pero syempre, iisang table yan, kaya medyo mahaba-haba ang paragraph ninyo dyan. Kung paano nyo gawin yung paragraph ninyo.
Picture.
Yes. Hindi na. Yes. Yes. Okay? O, any more clarification? Okay. When are you going to submit this?
Friday.
Ilan ang isasubmit ninyo?
6.
Through
Google Classroom.
Google Classroom. Okay? Kailan kayo magsasubmit nito?
Friday. Next week. Monday next week. Thursday.
Eto, pwede kayong face-to-face mag-submit, pero hindi na siya individual.
Apple.
Because how will I test you with this one? Sa defense na kayo nito. But anyway, if you have some correction, syempre, for your defense, wala na kayong exam sa akin, di ba? PB? Ayaw man.
Sabi ba hindi po?
O sige, pesto. Sa kanila, hindi pa na-approve. Pag hindi pa na-approve, hindi pa sure. Pero pag ina-approve ni Ma'am Lorna, pwede na.
No.
May defense kayo kasi examples.
Mama yung
Oo.
La-
Sa defense ninyo, kay Ma'am na lang, Ma'am Jen. Hindi na ako sasama.
Ah.
Pero kapag, tapos mag-exam. Pero kapag may defense, dalawa na kami ni Ma'am Jen na uupo during your defense.
Ang paano po kung may gusto po kami ipa-check na table tapos hindi po tayo mag-meet, okay na po ba mag-check?
No! No! Ang dami kong papel na gagawin.
Kugit na lang.
Sorry. That's why I'm... Saan? No! May training nga kami for this week. That's why I will not meet you on
Apple.
Thursday and Friday. Ha? How I wish. How I wish. Hindi pwede. Tatay mo? Ay naku, sana nga lang talaga. Ganon. Ang submission ninyo nito, 26. At the same time, quiz.
Online, ma'am.
Yes. Are we going to meet on the 26th?
Second quiz na yun.
Second quiz yun. Ang coverage, ANOVA, and correlation.
Mami, ay, sasabay na po siya sa
Hindi March ang defense natin.
Ay,
Hindi March 2.
Ha?
March 3.
Ha? For this ba?
Kaya nga, ladies and gentlemen, pinapa-advance ko na ang mga ito para pagdating ng papel, copy-paste na lang. Ano ang sinabi ni Ma'am Jen? O, tingnan nyo, February 25, February 25, 26, 27.
So when are we going to start? On the day of the defense.
No, because sa modified Jen defense. Iba pa yung defense. Ito lang ay results and discussion. Ang defense, buong paper. Ito lang, part lang.
So when are we gonna pass?
Gumana na.
O, di 20.
Ma'am, kasi sa
Like it?
January
Turn it around.
27 is recollection of
Okay, we will not meet. Sige. Kailan yung gusto mo? March. Hindi, ask ko na lang iyo.
Hindi pa nadadraw yun.
Wala daw kaming rest day after wala kaming tuloy before.
Hindi kayo.
Huwag yung sa'yo.
Wala na kaming
Okay, sige. Kung sakali, sige, kung ganun ang mangyayari, when are you going to submit this? Just after we discuss correlation. Anyway, okay, kasi yung correlation, that would be, this will be for RQ 7. This will be table number 4, correlation. How are you going to present? You have to show your R, you have to show your p-value, and you have to show your interpretation. Ibig sabihin, the R is 0.8. Ibig sabihin, very high correlation. What does it mean? A is very correlated with B. Ibig sabihin, yung, ano ba, kanina pa ako nagsasabi ng ibig sabihin.
relationship.
Yes, R is the relationship already. I will teach you the formula. Excel na lang din para hindi na tayo mag-calculator. Puro Excel to. Okay? Reading of the table. Madali lang din siya. So, kunin nyo lang. Pag R is 0.8, ibig sabihin, ibig sabihin pa ako, kanina pa yun, yung na yun. There is a high correlation between A and B. Pakita ko na nga lang, nasan ba yun? Ayan. Ayan. O, wala kang nakikitang table, di ba? Because we only have a pair correlation. Hindi siya nag-hypothesis testing dito. Pero tayo, we will do a hypothesis test. No, do not include it here.
So
May hypothesis testing pa rin. Never mind doing the step-by-step because I know you already know how to do the step-by-step. Ang mag-iiba lang ay part ng computation. Ulit. The rejection is just the same. If it's less than 0.05, then reject. If it's not, then fail to reject. What does it mean? You have the R, which is 0.8. The 0.8 is based from your data. So from your data, it shows that as A gets higher, let's say, parang sa kabila, naalala ko na. Parent, ano yung research ninyo, anak? Ulit. Ano ulit yung research ninyo? Sige. Ha? O ibang group naman. Soft skills and gamification. So soft skills. As the soft skill increases, hindi ko alam kung paano yung nagiging pag mataas ang soft skill, ibig sabihin mataas din ang gamification skill. I don't know kung ano yung
Paano yung p-value? Calculated din, ibang calculation.
No, same tape. Yeah. I will show you later on. Hindi ko pa
So
pinakita.
ito na yung correlation.
No, this one is your Pearson R. This one is the p-value. Let's say the p-value is 0.01. Etong point, let's say for example, 0.98. Very high ang correlation niya based from your data. But when you talk about the population, hindi siya mataas. Ibig sabihin, fail to reject, not significant. There is a possibility. Kasi ito, based from your sample, di ba, pag galing sa sample, you cannot say that that is good or that is applicable for the whole population. Tama ba? Ito yun.
Kailangan ko ng white.
Nakukuha nyo? Ito yun. This is for the population. This is for the sample. Mataas siya. Pero sa population, hindi. Rejected siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi mataas. But you will have this inclusion after nating ma-discuss ang correlation, which will be added into your research paper to be submitted just after.
Hindi ba yung interpretation dapat high correlation, low correlation?
No.
Ay,
Iba.
yung positive.
Okay, sige. So, meron pa pala akong dagdag na isang dito. R. 0.8. And then you have another interpretation here. Interpretation ng R, high correlation. High correlation. And then p-value 0.98 Yan.
Ma'am, so yung explanation po niya dapat ito din po. Pero,
Oo, very short lang din.
Okay.
You just tell me that it's not. Do not relate it with other researches kasi mahihirapan na kayo nun. Hindi na natin kaya. That's why, after our discussion ng correlation, and that would be kung synchronous tayo, kung may klase tayo 24, di ba?
if may klase na 24 day po.
Wala tayong meeting. Hihiram ako kay Ma'am Jen. Ma'am Jen, I'll borrow your time, please.
Sige mo.
Okay. Para ma-discuss natin. After that, ito na lang ang gagawin ninyo. That's why I am asking favor. Hindi naman favor kasi requirement nyo to. Gawin nyo, please. Pang-aasi you. You finish until here.
Okay na daw yung split time. Friday.
24, mag-meet tayo. Mag-discuss ako correlation. After this one, 25, we will not meet.
26.
26, you submit the whole paper plus quiz.
Class quiz.
Yes.
Online yan.
Ha? Hindi. Face-to-face quiz.
Pero makito.
Yan yung Friday.
Ngayong Friday.
Yan
Ito, 26, kasama ito. Wala nang ganon.
Okay.
Kaya nga sabi ko, tapusin nyo ito hanggang, di ba tapos nyo na yan, ngayong Friday. Pero dapat hindi ngayong Friday. Tapos ko na ano ba nung Monday, di ba? Ay, last week, di ba? O dapat tapos nyo na yun. Magsusulat na lang kayo. Walang ginawa, sabi ko na nga, dapat tinuloy nyo yung Friday. Ay nako, you're fired.
Oh no!
Okay na? Yung copy, yung mga values natin, yun na lang ilalagay natin dito to be submitted when? 26. Kailan ang second quiz? Kailan ang first quiz?
Aray ko ka.
Thursday. 19. Ilang minutes? Ilang minutes? No.
Ay, Thursday is 30 minutes.
No. 40.
Ay, bakit?
40. May, 40. 7:40 to 8:20. Tapos ang
Hindi
following.
nabibidyohan ka, be.
Okay. Since, again, people, I will not be here on Thursday and Friday. What are you going to do during the quiz? Hindi nyo alam kung sino at hindi ko rin alam kung sino magbabantay sa inyo. Kung masungit yun, you have to.
No.
Sino ba yun? Si Ma'am Dovi. Okay. Okay. Ayusin ninyo yung mga gamit ninyo. If you know that it is your quiz time, that time, ayusin nyo na ang mga kagamitan. Para pagpasok ni Ma'am, you are already ready. You're ready. Nakuha ninyo. No. No. I will give you the formula. I will give you the tea table.
Pwede pabibig pa yun.
No. Ay! Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay na? What are you going to review? Ano lang? Paano basahin yung table?
Ma'am, paano
2
gumawa ng-
means. 2 means. Tapos, 2 means ano ba? Tapos, step by step, hypothesis testing ng 1 mean. Kasi wala tayong Excel out. Okay? Number 417, sabi ko.
Step by step.
1 mean. Hypothesis testing. Table reading. Excel output. Na t-test. And ANOVA. Okay?
Ano ba concept?
Siyempre, may purpose. 4 points lang yun. Okay po? Okay po?
Ma'am, paano?
Any other question?
Na ganyan mo sa
Ma'am, or nabigay?
Isa lang.
Ganun ba yung table reading?
Wili.
I will give you, siyempre, without the... Yes! And it's up to you to decide which is which. Okay? Any other question na ibigay ko na, hindi na tayo magkikita until next week. Tapos,
Ma'am, paano kung may tanong kami? Hindi namin ipapacheck pero may tanong kami. We can message.
I don't know.
Ma'am, sige na. Click kami.
Ano siya nung YouTube din?
Si Ma'am Jen.
Ma'am, hindi sasabihin niya tanongin ni Virtually. Ma'am, ganito na lang po. Daan na lang po namin sa study chairman, tapos maayos na docs para pag sasagutin niyo, hindi po pabalik-balik. Dapat malinis.
Yes. Yes or no?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, yes or no questions only.
May
Yes
yes
or no
na
check box.
Hindi rin nagpag-yes na lang ako.
Ay, nako.
Kasi I'm so sure that they
O basta nakita nyo na kung paano yung relationship ni staff at saka ni na kaya hindi talaga kami nang hiwalay. Okay. Okay, sige. I'm done. Unless you have some question, isang topic na lang. Ladies and gentlemen, ganito, pag hindi natin maabot ang isang topic, ito lang ang matatanggal. And all the others is actually. Okay?